Welcome back. So for this class, we'll see how to use our field maps. Let's move straight ahead to our dashboard. Okay, and this is now for this class. This is our field map, right? Like you can see here. Click on it, and you have this guy. So you adjust to your tests. Adjust to your tests. So I still want, because I told you earlier, it has to be country, state, and all of that. So for our data, we have just country. So I'll drag the country down to location. We have this now. So I want to see the profits made. So I'll click on this profit and send it to my legends. So now you can see the indications for each of them, right? So North America has this. From what I'm seeing here, this country, Canada. This Canada. This is United States of America. This is the United States of America. So this is Europe. That's Germany. Okay, and this is France. So you can see different sizes and the profit made by these countries. So this is simply how to use your field maps. I'll see you in our next class. Cheers.